You gotta let go. Maybe it's a little too late, cause I already put my all to the table. Everything about me from the get-go. There goes another love song. Hate that it's becoming my usual. Taking things slow, I just can't control. Baby, I'm incapable of it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently in South Carolina right now on a family beach trip, and we're at our vacation home, which is about like 30-40 minutes away from Myrtle Beach, and that's where we're going today. We came in yesterday, but I didn't really film too much because it was mainly like just getting settled and stuff. We're only here for like 3 days, barely like 2 days. So today's like our only full day. We leave tomorrow, probably around like noonish. So I wanted to bring you guys along and show you guys what we're gonna do today. So first things first, I was trying to figure out what bathing suit I wanted to wear. I have two options. The first option is this black string bikini. So it's just like your regular bikini, you know, has the top, bottoms, but then I have like this cute little like claw clip I could wear. And then second option, I have this tan bikini, which is very suited for the beach, but the problem is that one, I did get this for my friend's birthday party, June 21st. So it's not her birthday, but it's her birthday party because she wants to have a pool party, and her theme is like aqua, tan, mermaid type, and it's super cute. So I don't know if I want to wear this now and then wear it again, or save it and then take you pictures later. But I feel like this one is so suited for the beach that I don't really know what to do. So this one also has this bracelet and then really cute waist chain, but I could probably still wear this waist chain with the black one, though I don't think it would go as well. I also do have like a necklace for this tan bikini, but I'm not gonna wear that because I feel like it's gonna be a little too much. And then I do have this little bikini cover up for whichever one I decide to wear because I want to be a little covered. So I think I'm gonna go with the tan one because that's what my mom, grandma, and sister said. So the decision is so hard because I just want to take some really cute pictures in it, and I'm worried that the beach will be like super crowded and I'll get too awkward, and then I don't know, I'll just wear it. So I'm gonna go get changed and then I'll be back.
Like a habit since you're here, so I say hello. How you doing? Nice to meet you. All my friends, no, are telling me she might be bad news. Now I can't go back. Yeah, you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go too nice out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on meeting the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed.
We're off to get drinks.
One of those pages. Oh, she's recording. Well, that's not making it.
Okay. There's your prompt. These are your options.
Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, no, wait. Okay. Loving you is easy because you're... that one.
Loving you is easy because you're blowing my boyfriend so hard.
She's gonna kill me. I just need to open my eyes. Coverage with this one.
Hey, Trina. Hey, pretty boy. Looking for mom? Yeah. Have you been going around telling anyone I asked you out?
No, I didn't tell you. Where are you going? You got
Did she tell you about the that piece in
I mean, but here's a
her slugfest?
holy.
Mole, mole.
Ole mole. Ole.
Holy moly.
It's good, right?
Pineapple.
Yeah. Yeah, I was in the frame. But then she moved her drink right in front of my face, so I wouldn't be in it. It was an accident, though. Like, I didn't even realize. Can I have a single scoop of the birthday cake, please? Cool. Yeah. Can I do the waffle cone? Yeah.
Yeah, he's moving. Don't give him ideas. As long as he has those glasses in one hand, we're all right. The one back there, better. I said I never had it.
Yeah, which one was Beth?
Beth? Sure, you guys can. Yeah, she always looked mean.
It was pretty good, pretty good. Presentation could have been a little better, but it was still really good. Ow! Hit the door on my leg.
So I say hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. It's all the blame on me, 'cause I can't deny your natural beauty. Now I can't go back, now you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily, like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go too nice out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on meeting the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you. I get obsessed